Yo, what is up, boys? We got Christian's memorial ride today. Christian, my homie that passed away about a month ago, his memorial rides today. We're running a little bit late. Oh, look, biker buddies. Hi. Oh, the Harley guys waved at me. Federale. Right, he rubbernecked so hard he got back out of his whip and just stared at us. I wasn't doing anything, officer. Oh, okay. There we go, Steven. Little wheelie for the homie. May he rest in peace. This is where it happened, for those of you that don't know. So we got the memorial ride this afternoon, and then we're supposed to get some rollers tonight. Holy shit. Look at the fucking group. This is Zach.
Shit, buddy.
Huh?
That was smooth backing up.
Yeah. So that's Zach. That's Christian's best friend. He's the one that's coordinating the ride, the event, and everything. Come on, Joel. You got it, buddy. Don't put your fucking feet down, bro. Don't do it. Look at the lineup, boys. Better turnout than we were hoping for, that's for sure. W turnout, bro. W turnout. Got the police escort. Oh, that thing's sick, man. Bunch of menace activities. Busa, big boy bike, yes sir. What an awesome turnout, man. I love to see it. But he got the gap cam on the back on the stretch jigster. It's like just big enough, you know. We were worried that there was going to be too many bikes, but it worked out perfectly. What a homie. My boy Justin on the 650R. You boys remember I was looking at that bike a couple videos ago. I'll throw the link up top. So I guess we're supposed to burn down the neighborhood. Yeah. Yes sir. He's taking the fucking speed bumps like a jump, bro. The boy, Kyrie, posted up. Yeah, ready, Freddy? Bro, I am cooking, man. I'm cooking. The bike is not even on, brother. We are headed to Chick-fil-A, literally 5 minutes away. We're gonna reassess and figure out who's going to rollers tonight and who is not.